Hello, I'm Beth the Builder, and today's honest guide to home repair is how to fix a deadbolt. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe below. I would love that. What are you going to need to fix your dumb deadbolt that doesn't latch? Nothing too complicated, some lipstick, a chisel, or some other pointy object, and your hands. Put your lipstick on your deadbolt, close your door, latch it a couple times, open your door, and then you can see on your trim where the lipstick is rubbed off. And then you chisel that away. And then hopefully your deadbolt latch is a little bit easier. I hope it does. Otherwise, spray some WD-40 in there. That could help too. And safety first, using power tools and chisels and sharp things, wear some gloves. And hopefully now your deadbolt latch is a little bit easier. Or maybe it doesn't. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Please like and subscribe and follow me on social media. I have links in the description below, as well as a link to my PayPal account if any generous folk out there want to kick me some money for my weird, wacky projects. Thanks for watching.